On this ijdm, we're taking a look at the Ryobi radio speaker Bluetooth. What is it? We'll find out next.
Another visitor. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Welcome to ijdm. This is part 3 of my Ryobi series of just different gadgets. I covered a air compressor that's battery powered. I covered the tool thing, arts and crafts tool, rotary tool, I guess is the proper name for it, kind of like a Dremel type deal. And then this week it's this Bluetooth speaker radio setup, which I've actually had for a while. And if there's a demand for these more of these Ryobi type videos, I know a lot of people looking for retro tech, but on this channel we do a little bit of everything. Sometimes we look at old tech, sometimes we look at new tech, sometimes we look at useless tech, sometimes we just hang out and do nothing. And maybe that's what this one is. It's got a clock on it. It's got a volume display, or excuse me, volume adjustment, scan for stations, and then the mode, power button, clock display, which I think takes a separate battery, which you put in with this little compartment here. This is where the battery goes. And it's got a little antenna. I'm not sure if that's for Bluetooth or FM or both or one or the other. On the back, you got this little strap. I don't know what it's for. I guess to kind of maybe hang it. I'm not really sure on that. It's kind of like a stretchy type thing. So let's put a battery in this and go ahead and there. Okay, now what do we do? Okay, let's try the FM radio. So we will go ahead and, can we see that all right in the camera? Because my display sometimes on this camera I'm doing a test for a friend on a camera, so I want to make sure everything's working right on it. So I'm hoping this series of videos comes out okay. So we'll hit the power button, and it says it's on Bluetooth right now. So let's go to FM and just go to a station. Okay, don't flag me, YouTube. I only played like a second of that. Yeah, okay. And then aux. So there's an aux mode in this. Oh, here we go. So on the side here, you do have a USB port, and you do have a speaker out, or oh, it's aux in. Aux in is what I meant to say. Yeah, okay. And yeah, the radio does work. So let's see about the Bluetooth mode. So mode BT, it's in Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Am I the only one that has trouble saying that? I know my father says Bluetooth, and it's like, well, it's Bluetooth, not toot. All right, we're going to go ahead into the phone settings, and we're going to go to Wi-Fi, or not Wi-Fi, we're going to go to Bluetooth. And we're going to go ahead and try to find the Ryobi radio, and there it is on the bottom there, Ryobi radio. So we'll hit that to connect it. And then we can play music for like 2 seconds before we get flagged. All right, it says it's connected, I guess, or yeah, there it is. Okay, it is connected. So what do we do now? Well, we need to go into that app right here, and we'll just play a song for a second and to see how it sounds real quick. Okay. Okay, well, the speaker itself, I mean, not great. I would say if you're using this, if you're buying this just for the Bluetooth speaker, yeah, no. This speaker is like, I guess you could say like maybe not a low range, but a mid-range boombox, not a high-range one, but like it's just got that sound of it's just a speaker. It reminds me of like car speakers from the 80s and 90s kind of sound. So it's not spectacular. I mean, it'd be good for the beach or hanging out on a boat, or if you got a construction project and you just want to have some music or going to the beach. Heck yeah. I mean, other than that, audio, I'm not really crazy about. But again, it's just a little portable radio deal that it does what it does. And it's nice because it's not just the Bluetooth, but it does have the FM, AM. In case you do want to listen to terrestrial radio, and then an aux in if you want to, wire it into something. Just a handy dandy little kind of thing to have, I guess. And I can't remember if I got this on sale or it was a gift. I'm not really sure at this point in time. But that'll do it for this speaker. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and I'll be sure to respond to those. We'll see you next time on ijdm. Hit that subscribe, hit that like, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.